When considering an air fryer as highly rated as ours, there's only one choice left to make: red, white, or black. Under every coat of paint is the same beautifully designed device, guaranteeing easy meals from start to finish, no matter what color you pick. It even gives helpful hints along the way. Need inspiration? Our chefs created 100 ideas for you and rigorously tested each one to ensure delicious results. Missing summer cookouts? Every entree needs a side. And to top it all off, get recipes of your own. Join the growing COSORI community on Facebook to share and find new food to try. Remarkably beautiful in its brushed matte finish. It's endured test after test in the lab, exceeding others' performance. It'll take heat from 170 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Operate for twice as long as other air fryers. Why the big fuss over an air fryer? Maybe because it makes much more with more ease than you imagined. Okay, let's start with the classics. Want fries with that? Of course you do. Fry them to a beautiful crisp. Fry them up guilt-free. Fantastic. Add some veggies to make mom proud, even if you embellish a little. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, and an indisputable part of many diets, the cheese bowl. You get a recipe book in the box, so that's already 100 ideas to start with. All right, lemon butter salmon, piece of cake. Time to get your mess on. You'll no longer have to deal with this. This might be all you need per recipe. So you guessed it, substantially fewer calories and less fat. In other words, zero guilt. Preheat, keep warm, auto shut-off, Fahrenheit to Celsius. It even reminds you when to shake things up. How thoughtful. All these extra functions were designed for your ease. So, you're welcome, Mom, and kids, and those who are on cleanup duty. That's the amazing COSORI air fryer, available in 3.7 and 5.8 quart sizes, so you can start adding fuel to the fryer. Live life tastefully with COSORI.
introduce you to an all-new fantastic product that you'll want to have in your life. Upgrade your culinary experience today with our Ultrean air fryer. Ultrean air fryer should be your #1 choice if you want to cook food with no or less oil. With its advanced heat coil and rapid air technology, producing hot, crunchy, tasty food with less grease is now possible. No need to deep fry your french fries, chicken, and other meat or snacks using unhealthy oil. No need to bear with hot oil splattering all over you, unlike traditional cooking. You can now roast, bake, and fry foods with a few clicks and turns. Set the unit for cooking, turn the food over, and once done, then your food is ready to serve. Ultrean air fryer comes with a digital LED display and user-friendly buttons. All you have to do is put the food in the basket, set the time and temperature, press the on start button, and start cooking. The unit automatically stops once the cooking time has elapsed. Isn't that great? It comes with a detachable and easy to clean basket and oil filter plate. Our 4.2 quart air fryer comes in different attractive colors: white, green, red, and the classic black. With its contemporary and sleek design, it's perfect to be given as a gift. Ultrean air fryers bring you a brand new kitchen experience and a whole new lifestyle.